Hi guys, welcome back to Ultimate Gardening. I'm Emmanuel, the creator and owner of Ultimate Gardening. So today in this exciting spreading video, I have a few things I would like to showcase to you guys. So please stay tuned with us. So guys, here on this table is all the products I would like to showcase. So you might be wondering, why is all of these products here? In the past few videos, the links will be up here for you to check out. I mentioned a lot the channel Bluegrass Homestead. We worked with the channel Bluegrass Homestead so many times, and it's an amazing experience with them. They're so kind and so supportive. So the other, like 2 weeks ago, or this week, or last week, last week, we sort of did like a gift exchange in a way. So they decided to send over a few jars of honey, and as a token of appreciation, I wanted to send them a few plants I created. So towards the end of the video, you'll go ahead and see what happened to the plants and all that type of information. So please stay tuned throughout the whole video. But they sent over a few jars of honey. As you can see, here's the classic jar of honey of the Bluegrass Homestead. Right here, they have their really cute tags right here. I really love it, which is the pure honey. And they also sent over a really larger size of a container, but it had honeycomb. As you can see, all the particles. My mom, my sister, and my cousin love the honeycomb, so you can see it's already devoured.
To be honest, it is the best honey ever. I totally recommend.
So it's like pure honey grow from them. And if you would like to reach out to them, their email will be down below for you to check out, and also the Instagram links and Facebook and all that type of stuff will be down below for you to check out. And so with the honey, they sent over the seed packets right here. They sent over zinnias, alyssum, and marigold. I love all of these plants. It's like amazing plants, and they knew me so well. And also with all of this, they sent me this t-shirt, this long sleeve t-shirt right here.
It also says, I believe in the future of agriculture.
I really love it. It's like an amazing design. I really love it. So thank you, Bluegrass Homestead, so much for sending this over. It's been amazing, and I really highly recommend this channel. So please go support them. Their channel link will be up here for you to check out. So please, guys, go support them. So yeah, so you might be wondering why these plants are here, and it's already coming to the end of what happened to the plants. So today was the day that the plants arrived to her. It came really early, 2 days early, and I was really excited because based on if the plants got to her saved and alive, we were gonna do the website. Unfortunately, the website will have to wait. The USPS service, the postal service, I put a huge sign saying that the box was supposed to be placed a specific direction. Unfortunately, they didn't see the sign, or well, they definitely saw the sign, and they didn't listen to the sign, so the box was placed upside down, and once they opened the box, the plants were not alive. So I was really sad about this. Only the berry smoothie heuchera was the only one that was alive, but the purple coleus, the wasabi coleus, and the purple wishbone flower all were completely destroyed. They did not make it. Like the top half of the plants were like snapped off, and it was because they were placed upside down and all the plants were smushed, and it was so upsetting. So as you can see here, they're like, I'm gonna go ahead and replace the plants because I feel completely bad, so I'm gonna replace them here. So I went over and I video chatted her what type of plants she would like, and so right here, these are the plants she chose. Once more, the famous #1 plant of the month, which is the purple burgundy coleus right here. She also chose the Arizona apricot gaillardia from the Growing Colors company, and she also chose this beautiful red and lime green coleus that was showcased in the other video. So please go watch that video. So these will all be replaced, but using a different method of shipment. Hopefully that shipment will work, and we'll be able to start processing all the plants. So here's Jessica with a short video of how the plants look like, so check it out now.
So today we received a package that we were waiting for from our friend Emmanuel at the Ultimate Gardening channel on YouTube. He also has an Instagram, and I suggest you go check it out. Emmanuel propagates and grows his own flowers of many varieties, and so I've been working with him to try to get him to see if he would be able to ship these plants and they would arrive safely and healthy and ready to go in the ground for anybody who wanted to order them. And we're trying to help him out because he's very young, but he is doing amazing work working very hard. And who does not want to plant from somebody that loves gardening and is really good at it? This is not your store-bought garden plants or varieties. These are some amazing, good plants that he's taking good care of. So we did a little experiment, and today my box with some plants arrived. Not all of them made it so well, and that was nothing on his part. He properly labeled the box, made sure it said fragile, and somebody at some point did not think that that needed to be regarded. So that's unfortunate. But I do want to show you one of the plants that I got that made it just fine. And so this is the berry smoothie heuchera. Okay, it's a beautiful plant, variegated leaves. I love the veining in there. Everything about this arrived perfectly fine. There's nothing broken, there's nothing damaged. So during shipment it went very, very well. So I'm working with Emmanuel to try to make sure that these shipments come through pretty much every time to his future customers and guests who want to experience some of his plants. So if you guys have any suggestions, you guys have any ideas, please share them. Definitely go to the Ultimate Gardening channel, like, share, subscribe to him, and let Emmanuel know what you think. He's trying to work on ways to make sure that even if the instructions are ignored, his plants will make it, and they'll be healthy, and they'll be strong, and they'll be vibrant, because he wants to offer people a good product. And he's also doing it out of his own pocket right now, and his family's helping him out. So let's do what we can to support the next generation of growers, okay?
So guys, as you can see, all the plants look like that, and it's totally upsetting, but these plants will be heading over to her place as a replacement, and hopefully everything turns out. So that's basically it. Once more, check out their website, check out their Instagram and Facebook, which their links will be down below, and their channel once more will pop up right here. So I highly recommend it. So yeah, so that's basically it for this video. Once more, huge shout out to Bluegrass Homestead for sending this plant, these honey and seeds and this t-shirt over. It meant so much to me, and so I'm gonna be replacing the plants that have been damaged and completely like not alive right here for you guys. So I'm really sorry for what happened, but once more, thank you so much for sending these over. So yeah, if you like this video, make sure to hit that like button, and if you want to support my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you want to get notified when a new exciting spreading video comes out just like this one, make sure to hit that bell notification button so you get notified when a new exciting spreading video comes out. Leave me any garden questions, any video suggestions, and what you thought on the video down below on this comment section below, and I'll reply and like your comments back. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Once more, huge shout out to Bluegrass Homestead for sending these over, and we'll see you in the next one. Grow big, Ultimate Gardeners. Bye guys.